Using Hello, I'm using edu blocks to use Python. You go to edu block, you go to app.edublocks.org/project/new to do Python. Or you can just go to edublocks.org and click Python 3 once you get started. So first I'm going to start the code. Then I'm going to do this. From turtle import. F word subscribe. You wrote F word subscribe. You wrote subscribe. No, buddy, I wrote just subscribe. Look. What does this look like? F. Ether, how do I do the sensor? How do I censor it? The F word. It's just this F. Yeah, I want to do the censored motion. What you could do that? No, that won't work. I tried that. I didn't see the 8. No, but I didn't recording.